Tim Botel. I'm here in Lake Boga painting the GrainCorp silos. Yeah, it's gone really well. Everything's on schedule, so yeah, I'm really happy about that. So I've done St James, Catamatite, and now Lake Boga. When I arrived, they were basically white blank canvases. They'd been prepared, so I just gridded it up, and it's a little bit easier with the steel silos because they have that seam around them, so I use that as one of the grid lines, or every second one of the grid line is one of those, and then I just start drawing using spray cans and referencing my photo of what's in each square.
My name's Steve Matthews. I'm a resident of Lake Boga, live on the lake, and also chairman of, or chairperson of Lake Boga Inc., which is a community development organisation to promote Lake Boga wherever possible. It would have been about 5 years ago, so we thought, well, we can add to this excitement and the vibrancy of what the Silo Heart Trail is by having our own. We therefore proceeded with our applications for funding, and were successful with receiving funding from the Foundation for Regional and Rural Renewal, FRRR. They've been fantastic, very patient with us, and of course the Swan Hill Rural City Council are key contributors to the project as well. And what you see now is representative of what local people wanted, something that sets us apart from a lot of other Mallee towns, and that's our lake. But probably the thing that really sets apart Lake Boga is the fact that during the Second World War we played a very important role in the defence of Australia through the formation of the No. 1 Flying Boat Repair Depot. What I'm excited about is the fact that it does accentuate our identity, builds on what we've got here. There's been some fantastic work done around Lake Boga with the development of the lake. The caravan park has been improved as far as facilities, etc. are concerned. We have a vibrant little shopping centre, little CBD here, and I'm hopeful that this will promote Lake Boga more than what it's already promoted, and will encourage people to come and visit, have a look at the mural and experience what else we've got to offer.
It's the community story, and getting the community story up there is, just a really nice feeling to have. Coming to a community that I don't know and they explain their story, of the Catalina, going down to the local museum, spending time at the lake. It's really good.